Uh-oh, we got some gas. What's up? They made it all the way from Ohio.
Yep.
How was the trip?
Wasn't bad.
Michael Fugate, great to finally meet, which actually we did meet at Mustang Week years ago. And of course, Candy, great to see you as always.
No.
Glad y'all made it. Now we won't say anything about the Dodge truck.
Yeah.
We'll just, you know, hey,
Old faithful.
not a, yeah, those are good trucks. So that's a 12 valve, right?
No, it's a 5. It's 318.
Oh, it's a V8. Okay.
It has
Damn.
200 and it's about to break 297,000 miles.
Wow. They don't build them like they used to. That is wild. Yeah, they used to build
Old
good.
gas truck getting it done.
Yeah, exactly. So, right inside that door, we got a little something for you.
A little nervous. Still don't
Me
seem
too,
real.
man.
It don't seem real.
I know, man. Like I was talking to my wife about it last night. She's like, "Do you have any idea what that feels like?" I said, "No, I ain't never won nothing." You know, like I used to call into the radio stations, you know, and try to win. I never even won tickets.
I have never won anything to this caliber. I've always wondered what this feels like. I guess.
Well, here you are. It's freaking real.
It's a birthday gift.
It is a birthday, yeah. Happy official birthday. It was yesterday, the 27th.
Yes.
So, all right. Well, I guess we're about to go in. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
As ready
I'm
as
just
I'll
as
be.
nervous as he is.
As ready as
I'm
I'll
nervous
be.
for him.
All right. Well, let's go in there and see this thing.
Pictures and videos do not do this for this. There it is. Yeah, congratulations, bro. We got the whole gang out here with it.
Like, I have no idea how to feel because I know this is like the most sought after car that everybody wants.
But I guess you need to sit in this thing, which we're gonna go for a drive here in a little bit. But just an old Fox body, you know.
I'm used to the GT seats, not the like original coupe.
Yeah.
You know we're gonna have to start tagging these keys because we all have that same key tag
Yeah.
on every set of Mustang keys we have.
Another key tag that I can do.
Well, I got you the official key tag on there already, so you can keep it.
Yeah, we have them on every set of Mustang keys we have.
Do you really?
Yes.
I probably bought like 10 of them. My dad's got one too.
Does he really? I've still got several of them. It's wild, man. You know, I look at it now and like I just know what it started as, and like,
That's what's unreal for me is because I know what it started at.
yeah.
Even to you pressure washing because it was what, September 22.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. It was prime. It was in prime, and it was covered in green like stuff. Yeah. Just from sitting so long, because
you had the drivetrain out for like 7 or 8 months.
yeah. Well, it didn't have one when we got it.
Right, it was a roller.
It had
Because I think you put a rear end out of it.
yeah. We put everything in it. It was
I don't think it had any wiring, anything in it.
no. I think they were gonna try and make it a race car, and they had started and then it just sat, and that's when we ended up getting it.
So it went from a primered shell in September 22 to painted.
Yeah.
You know we're gonna get a lot of looks going home with this.
Oh
I
yeah.
already told you.
Everywhere you stop, somebody gonna try and buy it from you.
Oh, it's not for sale.
His boss already tried to buy it.
Really?
My boss tried to buy it. I have another supervisor that's mad at me because he
Yes.
acts like I got 16 Mustangs. I didn't need one.
Yeah. I was like, oh, you got another one?
That's nice.
But this is out of the that '89 convertible, 70,000 mile car.
Oh, that's all that was on it?
That's it. Yeah, you know, Verts, you know, they said a lot. You
So it
can
has 70,000 miles on it?
70,000 on the motor,
Nice.
and then the the transmission and all of that was the ones that we pulled out of Pop's car to put the V8 or put the automatic in it.
So that had
So-
Pop's original.
Pop, well, not original. The original trans was junk. This is a rebuilt one. New clutch.
Right,
New.
this is the one that
This is
took
it.
out of this to put the automatic in.
Yep. This is it.
And now it's
Oh,
going back
now that
manual.
is even
Yeah.
more special.
Pro 5.0
I'm gonna
shifter.
put my polished tubular on this.
Might as well, yeah.
Well, I gotta keep it.
Yeah. It's got parts.
I gotta put the polished tubular on it so it can match this one.
Exactly.
And match the valve covers, the header.
We you know Michael Johnson 417 Fox. He takes care of all the merch, does a phenomenal job. So we wanted to do something really special for you guys. All right. So I do have yours, but so this is going to be number one.
Oh, that is so. You can't wear
awesome.
that one. You can't wear that.
I'm gonna have to put this one up.
Yes. You
I gotta
can
put
only
that
wear
up.
that to shows.
That is sick, isn't it?
You
I
can
gotta
wear.
put that up.
You can wear that to shows, but you can't wear.
You can't get it sweaty
You
like
can't
like
make it look
No,
like
we-
that one.
like these hats.
It's
Like
gonna be strictly for show.
Oh, that is so.
but hold on, we're not done yet though.
Talking about that because I was looking at it. Oh. It's on the backpack.
You gotta pull that thing out, by God.
I've been looking at these backpacks too.
They are ridiculously nice. That's what I use for my camera bag now.
Oh, that is so cool.
Now you're all set when you go to events and stuff.
Put my GoPros in.
Uh-huh. Yeah, Michael Johnson, man, he does an amazing job.
I was looking at the hats and I'm like, I didn't know if it was.
And we got a couple extra things for you there.
I gotta make it to this. It ain't gonna be this year.
And you need
I
to you
gotta
need to
make it
come.
before takeover.
And then of course,
That is yours.
Thank you.
no, that's not sure. Yours is in here.
No, I gave.
That's
That one is-
yours.
That one's my
I
anniversary.
gave her that shirt because it's the least I could do.
Oh, okay. Well, she's got two then.
It was a deal for me
I couldn't
helping
be
him
off.
drive down here.
Then there's the basic one there.
That's so cool.
I'm so gonna run this shirt.
But that's for when it cools off. I was
Oh,
like, well,
you
throw him a
can't-
hoodie just in case.
You can't wear that. It has a hood. Thanks.
Can't wear.
Oh, well, she got it
I
then.
can't wear it to work.
Yeah, can't
Work's
do
got
that.
This rule, we can't wear the
And-
sweatshirts to work.
Fun fact though, Michael Johnson was actually gonna be here and do the 417 kit in the car, and he wasn't able to. But you know, but he did. He just, I'm so jealous of this.
That is
I
awesome.
love that.
We'll have to take pictures, send it to you.
All right, so first drive. Let me get the door here. Dover must have been in there. He had it all the way back. There it is. Just old stock Fox body.
Right, smooth. Shift smooth.
It's just like a, you know, when I was driving, I was like, man, this is what you remember. They're basically stock with exhaust and, you know, some minor stuff. They weren't, you know, they rode so hard and rough and everything once you start
All about the
modifying.
lower cars, though. I've had quite
Yeah.
a few.
which once we lowered this one, obviously a lot of that went away. But it's definitely a good day for a cruise. Solid? Nope. What's that shirt? Stand back, I built this shit myself.
Yeah. I actually have that shirt.
Do you really? I need to get it. I was like, man, no truer statement. They spontaneously buzz.
It says stand back, it's about zip ties, hopes and dreams or something.
Yeah. Well, Mike, this was an experience, wasn't it?
Not a dull moment.
Okay, so I guess we'll just tell them the whole story.
Yeah.
We had a little trouble on the first drive. Yours truly forgot to plug the coolant line that went to the back side of the EGR spacer. I did. I screwed up. I thought the motor was done. It wouldn't restart. It was all planned though, so you could have.
Oh yeah. It's that once in a lifetime experience.
It was. It was, but we got that plugged, filled the coolant back up. She's good to go. Man, my heart was dying though at that moment.
It's kind of hard trying to figure out what was going on.
Yeah, it wasn't. Temperature wasn't reading high or nothing.
Frostbite trying to throw antifreeze at us.
Oh shit, it didn't have nothing in it to throw at us. Yeah, we had, if you guys remember the first drive, it had steam coming out of the hood and we couldn't figure it out. Well, I figured it out this time. Well, luckily we got it. Yeah, you're good.
Pleasure.
Great to meet you. Great to meet you, Mike.
Yeah.
Dude.
Fun time.
Enjoy it, man.
Oh,
do it. Have fun with it. Whatever you want to do.
Videos to come when it comes off the trailer at home.
Once y'all get home and you get the links, I'll share them. We'll put them up on the Facebook page, maybe Instagram too. And
it's off to Ohio.
Off to Ohio. You guys be safe. Yeah. Have fun. Honored to meet you. We had a great day. Most of the day. Most of the day.
It was a very interesting day.
It was definitely interesting.
One you will not forget.
Never ever. All right. Last look. You too, brother. Thank you guys again for everything and be careful.
Always.
All right.